Okay, so this is just a quick video to show you this Siemens 2000 16mm projector. To show that it works. It also has these two 10-inch mid-range Siemens Klangfilm speakers. I'll show you some, you can see the pictures, but I'll show you some more around just now. For now, I just want to show you that all of this works. This is the lamp, extra projection lamp, new one that comes with this if you would like to buy it. So basically this is, yeah, it's a straightforward thing. Once you get to know it, you can get the manual on manualslib.com, and you can find out the user instructions there. But you basically you start it. I've got everything set up already, so I'm just going to start it up with putting the pilot lamp on. So the idea is basically you'll have all the other lights off and you'll have this light on, and this is for the person who pilots it and he puts it on. And so what we do from here is you switch on the reels and you can see it going, and the lamp goes on, and you got your picture. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on the sound.